So they said Walmart got Jamaican food. So let's go try the Jamaican food that Walmart has. So what they got here? All right. So they got barbecue, what is this? Barbecue chicken leg. They got jerk chicken legs. What is this? They got oxtail, you're gonna get that too. Ooh, Jamaican patties. Yo, they really got all this food in here. They got oxtail. They got curry goat. Can I get a small curry goat?
In case I have a tray offer deal for combo 2, you get 3 items for $11.97 plus 1 drink. You can choose any of the items. You want to make that deal?
No, I just want the curry goat. Yeah. No, just a small one. You guys should have rice and peas with it.
Yeah, we can have one. Right now I have out of stock, so I just switch right now, so it will take 40 minutes.
40 minutes? Okay, that's fine. I'll just have that. So you guys are separate from Walmart?
Yes.
Oh, okay, that's nice. So is it every Walmart that has the
No, in Edmonton this is the only one.
the only one?
Yeah,
That's
our
crazy.
main branch is in Toronto.
Toronto. I seen another person in Toronto was talking about it too. Yeah, so I'm like, let me try it out.
And there is one in Calgary also.
Calgary? Okay. So is your guys' goal to get it in all the Walmarts?
Maybe they have planned later, but right now we have only.
Okay. And you guys cook everything here?
Yes, it all came from our central kitchen in Toronto, and then we just bake and steam it.
So it comes from Toronto and you guys just steam it?
Yes.
Oh, that's crazy.
So every morning we are making this one.
Okay. Man, I spent $50 and don't even get a free drink. But, let's go try all this food. Let's see what Walmart is saying. Let's see how good it is. So these guys have a center in Toronto where they cook all their food and they ship it. So they're cooking Jamaican food and they're shipping it to a location. That's what, 3.5 hour flight? So I guess they freeze it. But then she was telling me she was making rice and peas in the back, so I don't know. Let's go see what this is saying though. How do I feel about this? I don't know. Let's go try it. First of all, there's no coleslaw with the oxtail. Let's go see what Walmart is saying, man. The crazy part about this is like, I want to know who's cooking this food. That's what I want to know, honestly. Who's cooking this food? Yeah. I mean, crazy thing is, it's an Indian like restaurant inside of the Walmart. There's not Jamaicans cooking this food, from my knowledge. But let's go try this food and see what it's saying. If you're cooking curry, you should have white rice, not chicken fried rice or vegetable rice. That's a different combination. I really want to see how this is, because first of all, the patties don't even look too right. They just look dry and soft. Yeah. I want you guys to understand this is my opinion on how the food is. You guys can go try it yourself, to be honest. Yeah. And let me know. First we got the oxtail. This is the oxtail. Oh, this is nasty. This is not it. Let me try the oxtail. Oxtail's okay. The rice is just dry. It's not even, it's still hard. Oxtail's kind of sweetish. This is not it. All right, let's try the barbecue chicken leg. This is it. I don't even like how this smells, yo. It's like, it's not even cooked, yo. It's still like pinkish. It looks pinkish. I don't know if this is cooked properly. I'm gonna try this. This needs to be cooked more, yo. It's not cooked. It's not fully cooked. Like, it tastes raw. Yeah. This is the jerk chicken leg. Let's try this one. This look dry. Look at this. This is a jerk chicken leg. Yeah. Let's try this. This one is okay. Needs more seasoning though. I'll give it a 5 out of 10. People need to learn how to cook people's culture food when they're selling it. But it just tastes bland. You need some salt. It's like a 5 out of 10 now. I already knew when I looked at it, it's dry, yo. Look at this. This is a beef patty. Lord. That's disgusting. You know when something has been in the freezer for long and has the freezer burn on it? That's what it tastes like. And what kind of meat is this on the inside? Oh, this is curry. Look at this. This is dried up. No. That's not Walmart yet. No. No. I'm just really hoping this tastes good. So this is the chicken fried rice. No, the fried rice. This is the fried rice, and then this is the. Yo, this is so oily. What the hell? Look at that. Now we can move the camera down. Hold on. Look how oily this is, yo. Jeez. Can you guys see that? It's like swimming in oil. Ugh. Alright, let's try the rice. That is disgusting. That's disgusting. That does not taste good. It tastes stale, like it's just been sitting there. Curry, you can't play with curry, yo. Let's try the curry. No, sir. It's not it. Let me tell you guys something. As a born Jamaican, raised in Jamaica for how many years, and knows how to cook Jamaican food, that's just not it. It's not it. And I feel like this is like just messing with our culture at this moment. Like, it's not it. I'm sorry. Y'all need to find some real Jamaican cooks to cook the food. Whoever's cooking this food in Toronto, to cook the food good. It's nasty. It's not worth the money. Yo, what did I pay $50 for? Huh? That's what I want to know. What did I pay $50 for? This thing is horrible. Garbage. This right here is 0 out of 0. No. That's just not it, yo. You guys need to do better, yo, and start messing with our culture, yo. Real talk, so. But that's just my opinion. You know what I mean? You guys can go try it yourself, and then let me know, because, yeah, that's not it. No. Sorry. That's just my honest opinion. This is not Jamaican cooking by far. No. Like, no. No, sir. Need to go drink some tea right now, because my stomach, yeah, it's just not it. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed my review.